Now, after we added our Apollo client to our view app, it's time to get the real data. But before that, let's look at our app structure. I have personal to-dos here, public feed, and online users. Let's take a look at the code where it's implemented and where we need to change from static data to the real data. Our to-do home is the main screen, and we have three components: to-do private wrapper, public wrapper, and online users. Our private wrapper has to-do input and to-do private list. So this is the to-do input, this is the private list. So what we want to do, we want to get all our private to-dos from here. So let's go to GraphQL to write this query. The query will be called get my to-dos, and it will get to-dos with some kind of condition. Our condition will be if to-do is public equal to false, then show us to-dos, and also we want to order our to-dos by created date in descending manner. Now we want to show ID, title, created date, and is completed. Let's run this query. Let's see the result. Now let's integrate the query into our view app.